Hi, Cece.
Hi, baby. What's up? How have you been?
I've been good. कैसी हो तुम?
बस मैं भी बहुत बढ़िया हूँ. Before we start our conversation, I just want to tell people who have just tuned in that BB and I meet every few days and we talk about just life in general, the content that we have seen, the books that we have read, and just general things that have happened in life.
हम्म.
So, yes, BB, what have you been up to?
देखो, मैंने पढ़ी एक किताब और मैंने देखा
Hmm.
एक शो माइनस टू
Hmm.
एपिसोड, मतलब
Okay.
लास्ट एपिसोड नहीं देखा मैंने उसका, क्योंकि मैं फ्लाइट में देख रही थी और
हाँ.
फिर लैंडिंग के लिए टाइम हो गया था तो रह गया मेरा वो. बट आई नो व्हाट हैपेंड, सो आई कैन टॉक अबाउट दैट एज वेल.
Hmm.
बाकी तो लाइफ अच्छी
Hmm.
चल रही है. मैं
और
सिंगापुर जाके आई अभी, which was
हाँ.
great. I was there for 3 days. First time in Singapore as
हुँ,
a tourist. First time in Singapore as a
हुँ,
tourist. मैं ऐसे कह रही हूँ जैसे for
हुँ,
work I've been. Just first time in Singapore
हुँ,
overall. It was great. I loved it.
हाँ,
The food is amazing. Even if you like vegetarian food, like me, I eat meat
हुँ,
and all, but I prefer veg. कि अगर वेज ना मिले
हुँ,
तो फिर मैं खा लेती हूँ नॉन वेज, ऐसा मेरा सिस्टम है. But
हुँ,
it was readily available everywhere. There were options everywhere. Most of the vendors were ready to accommodate as well also. क्योंकि अगर मैंने बोला कि मेरे को
अरे
ये
वाह!
डिश खानी है बट इसमें से प्लीज डोंट पुट द मीट वट एवर, लाइक या फाइन ओके या टेक दिस करके, मतलब ऐसे कुछ ज़्यादा इशू हुआ नहीं मेरे को. तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहा.
अरे वाह!
जबकि वी डिडंट इवन गो टू एनी ऑफ
अरे
द, there are specific restaurants and specific hawker stalls that are famous, that are all veg only. हम वहाँ गए भी नहीं. We just went to the regular ones जहाँ सब options मिल रहे थे. Even there it was very easy to find food and food was delicious. ये तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा.
वाओ!
तो खाने के बहुत
वाओ!
मज़े हैं वहाँ.
अमेज़िंग!
आपके मतलब हर बिल्डिंग में एक एक या दो फूड कोर्ट टाइप है. और फूड कोर्ट में सर्विस इज़ अमेजिंग, खाना इज़ अमेजिंग, खाना इज़ रीज़नेबल ऑल्सो, एंड जस्ट यम्मी फूड. इट वाज फैंटास्टिक. सेकेंडली, जो मेरे को
वाओ!
चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी फूड वाइज इज़ द चाय. देयर आर सो मेनी चाय स्टोर्स इन
ओह!
सिंगापुर. देयर आर सो मेनी चाय स्टोर्स and each one is better than the last. Their chai ke flavor combinations are unbelievable and they work and they are amazing. मतलब एक चाय, I
वाओ!
remember there was a shop called Molly Tea. It must have been very famous, I'm sure, because उसके बाहर लाइन मैनेजर्स लगे हुए थे काफ़ी दूर तक. जिस टाइम पे हम गए थे वो शॉप खाली थी क्योंकि सुबह का टाइम था. सब ऑफिस में, स्कूल
हुँ,
में,
हुँ,
कॉलेज में थे तो कोई था नहीं. तो हमने चाय
हुँ,
ले ली
हुँ,
और फिर हम देख रहे थे कि इतनी लंबी-लंबी वो लगी हुई है यार इसमें, लाइन मैनेजमेंट की लेन्स, तो फेमस ही होगी ये शॉप. When I tasted
हाँ,
that chai,
हाँ,
I knew why they had those lanes over there, because that chai was just something else. CC, I had a
वाओ!
jasmine tea with pearls in it, with matcha on top of it. It was so delicate, so yummy. I can't tell you. That flavor is never going to leave my mind. Like it stays with me now for the rest. It was fantastic, that chai. And ऐसे इतनी सारी
वाओ!
shops थी वहाँ पे चाय की, with the most unbelievable flavor combinations, and they all work. The tea is amazing. The service is just next level. They package it so well,
वाओ!
your chai, and it's organized. They give you a coupon and a number, and you pick up your chai and you go. बहुत ही अच्छा था चाय. तो मेरे को बहुत, चाय के बहुत ही
हाँ,
मज़े आए मेरे को वहाँ पे. चाय मैं वैसे पीती नहीं, बबल टी हम पी लेते हैं.
वाह!
बहुत
So
अच्छा
that
रहा.
was like your highlight. That was the highlight of your Singapore trip,
Food terms,
the
yes.
chai.
Food terms, yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, tourism-wise, it's
Wow.
great. Lots of things to see. And it was
Yeah.
hot, but it wasn't unbearably hot. Having said that, I am also a summer
Mm,
person. मेरे को विंटर ज़्यादा मुश्किल लगती
mm,
है, तो मेरे को इतना कोई वेदर का भी इशू लगा नहीं. And it's so
right.
clean, it's so efficient, it's so organized. The whole country.
Mm.
मतलब इतना साफ
Wow.
सफाई बहुत
Amazing.
अच्छा है. मेरे को, I was very very
Amazing.
pleased. I was very happy.
Amazing. Amazing.
हम्म.
Amazing, yeah. Yeah.
तुम बताओ क्या
So
पढ़
we're
रही हो,
very,
क्या देख रही
very,
हो?
yeah. So मैं तो थोड़ा सा मेरा रीडिंग थोड़ा स्लो हो रखा है. मेरा थोड़ा ऑफिस एक्चुअली आई हैड अ लिटिल रफ वीक लास्ट couple of days at ऑफिस.
अच्छा, क्या हुआ?
वही थोड़ी सी, अरे थोड़ी भाई आई थिंक हर ऑफिस की कहानी जो है थोड़ा ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स, इधर उधर की लोगों का ईगो इश्यूज एंड ऑल, आई जस्ट गॉट caught up in that.
ओह
But
माय
it was
गॉड, क्या
okay.
किया
I
तुमने?
mean, you know,
डिड यू इमर्ज अनस्केथ्ड या थोड़ी थोड़ी लगी तुम्हें?
yeah. Thankfully, I emerged unscathed out of it, and thankfully, I'm out of it now. But it does take a toll on you. I think, you know, sometimes, like, even as a person, if you don't want to indulge in any of it, but if you get sucked into it,
हाँ
it does
यार.
take a toll on you a little bit. बट देन आई थिंक आई ऑल्सो फील कि यार हर जगह ये होता है, हर
या
लेवल
या.
पे, हर ऑफिस में ये होता है. सो आई थिंक यू कांट इवन रन अवे फ्रॉम इट, टू
यू
बी ऑनेस्ट. यू
कांट, यू
हैव
हैव
टू,
टू डील विद इट.
या, यू हैव टू
वही हो
डील
जाता
विद
है.
इट.
इफ यू आर वेरी
एग्जैक्टली.
वेरी अनलकी तो भाई मतलब ज्यादा बुरा हो जाता है. इफ यू आर लकी तो आपके
एग्जैक्टली.
मतलब आपकी दिन में उस पर्सन से 2 ही मीटिंग है.
हाँ.
अगर आपकी
हाँ.
किस्मत थोड़ी
हाँ.
खराब चल रही है तो आप शायद उस पर्सन से ही डील करते हो सारे दिन, तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है.
यस.
नहीं तो
यस. यस. यस.
एवरीबडी इज डीलिंग विद
हाँ.
समबडी विद इन्फ्लेटेड ईगोज इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम यार. ना वो खुद काम करते हैं ना वो
हाँ.
दूसरों को करने देते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली. एग्जैक्टली. तो वही है, बहुत होता है. तो आई वाज जस्ट डीलिंग विद दैट, थैंकफुली. Like I like over now, so I'm just like a little relieved. But other than that, I think the most exciting thing that I went for was I went to see Devil Wears Prada 2,
वाओ,
and I
हाउ
was
वाज
supposed
इट?
to go with, yeah, it was a lot of fun. I was supposed to go with two of my friends, but one of them couldn't make it because her office was taking her for the movie,
यार ये
which is
बहुत अच्छा
really
है.
cool.
मैं
Yeah,
ज्वाइन करना
yeah,
चाहूंगी
मुझे
उसका
बहुत सही
ऑफिस.
लगता है.
मेरा ऑफिस, द
So
ओनली
that
द
was
ओनली
very
वीडियोस
cool.
इट विल शो मी आर ट्रेनिंग वीडियोस.
बट वैसे मेरे ऑफिस से भी हम गए थे एक बार, बहुत पहले. हम सुपरमैन देखने गए थे वैसे. बट
वाओ, वर्क
तो
लाइक सुपरमैन.
यस. सॉरी.
बिकॉज आई वांट यू टू वर्क लाइक सुपरमैन 24 आवर्स. सुबह ऑफिस का काम करो, शाम को भी काम करो लाइक
हाँ.
सुपरमैन.
या पॉसिबल. यस. तो हम भी गए थे. So yes, I think Devil Wears Prada 2 was fun to watch. It was, so the last movie came in 2006, the first part, right? And this has come exactly like 20 years after. But if you look at all, BB, you look at all the three lead characters, Meryl Streep, Anne Hathaway, and Emily Blunt, they look the same, okay? They all look the same. None of them have aged. And the fashion sense is so on point. Of course, the movie is all about fashion, like fashion plays an integral part, but it is such a fun movie. And of course, I'll give a little bit of spoilers in between because if I'm talking about the movie, I will have to. So, spoiler alert. But that, so of course, there are, so one, the movie that came in 2006, of course, was a little more dramatic. But there are a lot of things that happened in that movie which you can't do in 2026 now
Yeah,
because,
you'll get
people
cancelled.
get offended. Yeah, yeah, you'll get cancelled and offended. But, like there was one funny scene in that which was like so funny. So, Anne Hathaway's character has come back for some work to the office, okay? And she sees Meryl Streep hanging her coat. And she's only shocked. She, like, because generally in the first movie, Meryl Streep's character gives her quotes, to her assistants and all of that. And she's very shocked that, oh, how come she's handing, she's giving her, hanging her coat. And then the other assistant says, oh, because a lot of complaints went to HR, that she gives her coats to her assistants and now she has to hang it on her own. And I
Gives
was
or
like,
rather
yeah,
flings them
that is
across the room at
flings
her
them
sister.
across. Yes.
Yeah.
So I think that was like really funny. I'm like, yeah, I mean, times have changed. And then, another funny part was there, she's saying some stuff, and then, her assistant is sitting there in the corner and is like, you can't say this, you can't say this, so you'll get cancelled for it.
So they made
So
fun
I
of the
think
whole
it was,
thing.
yeah, yeah. So it was nice. It was a very fun, light watch, and yeah, matlab, and that's what we always talk, BB, that you need more of. So I think the movie, they did a very good job at marketing. I think the makers of the movie, they went all out for marketing. But I also think that you need more of such content. Like he care. There is, like, you just want to go and just have a good time at the movies, not put too much of pressure on your brain.
That's
Just
true.
enjoy the movie and come back. So I think this movie was that for me. It was a nice, fun watch. So yeah, this was something that I went with. The highlight of my last few days is
Hmm.
watching Devil Wears Prada too. So I think,
Nice.
yeah, I think I
थिएटर
had a
फुल था?
good time. Yeah, I had a good time. थिएटर फुल था और बड़ा सरप्राइज थी मैं, क्योंकि मुझे लगा नहीं था कि लोग आएंगे, लेकिन लोग बहुत आए थे देखने के लिए, तो
ऐसे ही
काफी
आए
मतलब
होंगे
थ्री
ग्रुप्स
फोर्थ तो
में
भरा
दोस्त
हुआ था।
वोस्त मिलके सारे।
ग्रुप, हाँ वही ग्रुप्स में दोस्त वोस्त मिलके सारे आए थे,
इट
ऐसे ही
वाज एन
लग रहा था।
आउटिंग बेसिकली
तो
ना।
बढ़िया। Yeah, it's like a outing basically. So I was also seeing like not here, but I think in the US and all, I've seen they've gone all out itna marketing mein that they're also like where people are going for movies like in the theaters, they've got like those popcorn bags in the shape of the Devil Wears Prada ka shoe, and
अच्छा।
usme se people are taking out popcorn and all. Yeah, they've gone out so much for marketing the movie.
What
So
is
I think
paid
it's
off.
really fab.
So they've done a good
Yeah,
job.
yeah, it's really. Yes, yes. So yeah, that was the my like that was the highlight watching this movie. But you say, what have you read or seen which has been the highlight of your last few days?
Highlight, so I've watched one show and I've read one book, and दोनों में से highlight would be
Okay,
the book because I
okay,
like that more personally because it was more
yeah,
in my zone currently. It was
okay, okay,
the book is called Second Chances at the Board Games Cafe. It's written by Jennifer Page.
okay,
It's a
okay,
easy breezy light uplifting is a key word here.
yeah,
Romance book जिसमें कि
okay,
romance is not the central character. The central
mm-hmm,
character is that enthusiasm and upliftment and positivity and just a community coming together to help out some people. That is the main
yeah,
romance. It is a romance novel. It is about two people and how
okay,
two people in a community and how they get closer and stuff. But that's not the main plot. The main plot is the community and those two people
yeah,
individually, their stories individually, and they happen to then overlap at some point in the book. It
yeah,
was great because so
yeah,
it's again spoiler alert. If someone's not read the book, I'm going to be talking about the book, and you'd probably know the story from what I say. So there's a single mom and her child who move into this new community, and there's another guy. If I remember correctly, he's an accountant or he works in an office in a corporate job. So he does that,
okay,
and how their paths cross. It's about that. So in this, they've shown the accountant guy. They've shown his problems in life, his challenges that he's facing in life. He's coming out of a bad breakup, and he's realizing it's a bad breakup as the days go by. And the lady, she's a single mom, so that is challenging enough in today's times, right? Not in today's times, in the world we live in general, forever, it's been challenging. So she has her own
yeah,
set of challenges. And then she also has her own aspirations. The good part about the book is they haven't
ah,
just shown her challenges, which would have made it a very heavy, a very serious book, right? They've also shown her aspirations in life. She wants to be a fashion designer.
ah,
She's stuck in a current job, what she's doing currently. It is in the same field, but it's
ah,
not what she wants to do. But she still aspires to be a fashion designer and she hasn't let go of that dream yet, which is great to see, which is great to read, honestly, because
right,
it is very easy ना जब when you're writing a character that is facing a lot of hardship कि उसको भाई दबा ही दो आप कि वो hardship में ही दब के
right,
रह जाए उसमें ऐसा नहीं किया है उस book में. They've given that character
mm-hmm.
hope. They've given that character some encouragement, some strength, some agency that she doesn't like her current situation, but she is working towards improving it. She hasn't given up,
Yeah,
which
yeah,
is fantastic. I loved
no,
it. And then there is, as the name suggests, there's a board games cafe जहाँ पे सब लोग मिलते हैं
ah,
वहाँ पे फिर अलग अलग कुछ कुछ प्लानिंग होती है ये होता है कुछ इवेंट होता है ऐसे तो बुक पढ़नी पड़ेगी टू नो बट इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल बुक
ah,
इट इज़ द थर्ड बुक इन द सीरीज I did not know at the time it is part of a series because I had picked it up from a random prompt like I do
okay,
I do I'll go and say okay I'm going to pick up
yeah,
which is the first book I see जिसमें there's a number or the first book I see that is orange in color or the first book I see that is lying upside down. I think before I go to pick up books, this is what I think of, and then I go and randomly pick up books. I also pick up the ones that I've planned to read, but ऐसे random भी मैं
yeah,
उठाती हूँ ताकि थोड़ी variety रहे. So this was one of the random
yeah,
ones, but I'm glad I picked it up. मेरे को बहुत अच्छी
yeah.
लगी. अच्छी book थी. I would recommend it. It is called Second Chances at the Board Games Cafe. And like the name suggests, the board games cafe plays a big role in second chances because these are people who face some hardships in life and they're coming back out of it. So it was that.
Ah,
I
no,
loved it.
very interesting plot. Who's the author?
Jennifer Page.
Jennifer Page. Okay, no, very interesting plot, and definitely, I think now that you've recommended it, I'm going to pick it up for sure.
Hmm.
So yeah, no, very interesting, very interesting. I have also been watching a Chinese show. So like,
Hmm.
like in the last discussion that we had, of course, we spoke about Pursuit of Jade and how much we were like, so I mean impressed with Pursuit of Jade. And of course, I was really impressed with Pursuit of Jade, so I went and I did like a little bit of searching who the actor is, because I really like the lead actor. So I
Hmm.
went and did a little bit of search on what other shows he's acted in, and then
Hmm.
I found this show called The Best Thing, in which he's acted in, and he's again the main lead in that. And I started watching the show, and I must say that I'm quite liking it. Of course, the name of the show is The Best Thing. It's on Prime, and
अच्छा प्राइम पे है?
I've seen 8 episodes. हाँ, Prime पर है. I've seen 8 episodes till now, and I'll just give a little bit of the plot of the story. So the plot is that, of course, the male lead is a doctor. He's a TCM doctor. TCM is
Okay.
traditional Chinese medicine doctor,
Mm-hmm.
and the girl is basically she's gone through some issues in her life, and because of that she's having insomnia, and
Okay.
she goes to the doctor to get treated for insomnia. And
Hmm.
how what starts as a professional relationship, slowly how they become friends. And of course, I'm assuming that as the show progresses, it'll turn into a relationship. But it's like those slow burn healing dramas which the Koreans are very popular, for
Hmm.
making.
Hmm.
So this is pretty much similar to that. So I'm quite enjoying it so far, and of course I'll do a full review once I've seen it. But
Hmm.
so far, what I've seen, I'm really enjoying it.
Hmm.
So yes, this is something that again I've really liked watching.
Good that you've told me it's on Prime because I have seen only the first episode of this in some on some flight. तो अब
Ah,
तुमने बता दिया तो अब मैं
ah.
देख लूंगी प्राइम पे. इसमें भी वो बबल टी पी रही होती है ना
Yes,
फर्स्ट एपिसोड में, उसको बोलता है डोंट ड्रिंक ऑल दीज कोल्ड थिंग्स, इफ आई
yes,
रिमेम्बर
yes,
करेक्टली.
yes,
हाँ,
yes.
ये बबल टी के
Yeah,
पीछे पड़े हैं
yeah.
सारे. इतनी अच्छी थी.
हाँ, बबल टी के पीछे पड़े.
कैसे छोड़ दें, इतनी अच्छी होती है भाई. मैं पी के आई हूँ. इट इज सो गुड. बहुत मुश्किल है छोड़ना.
तुम्हें तो बहुत दुख होगा, क्योंकि इस पूरे शो में वो उसके पीछे पड़ा होता है कि तुम बबल टी ठंडा मत पियो, क्योंकि तुम्हारे मेडिकेशन के साथ वो इम्पैक्ट करेगा. तुम्हें तो बहुत
हाँ,
ही दुख होगा.
गरम भी मिलती है
बबल टी
भाई.
छुड़वाता रहता है उसकी. So yeah, right, yes. So yes, this is what I have been up to so far, and yes, it's been interesting. I think I'm watching a lot of other stuff also, but I think I'll talk about it once. Like we said earlier, we only talk about stuff that we
Be like.
like, and we want to, yes, and we want to recommend it to everybody. So
Hmm.
we only talk about that stuff, and yes, as and when I keep watching more stuff and something that I like, I'll definitely talk about it. But do you want to like quickly talk about anything else, BB, before we wrap up? Anything nice that you've seen?
I saw something. I found it uh, not amazing, but it was okay. I saw this drama
Yeah.
on the flight from Singapore. It's called Salon de Homes. It's a Korean drama. And it started off as a really light, fun drama because it was about these four women living in an apartment complex. And they become friends and they become detectives and they start investigating and solving cases within their apartment building. It started off
Oh.
light in the sense that the case was कि भाई कोई parking गलत कर रहा है, somebody is parking their car in somebody else's spot, or they're taking up three parking spaces, or blocking the entrance. That was the case investigation का. So I thought, great, light watch. I will watch it on the flight. Amazing. But then as it
Yeah.
progressed, second third episode तक वो थोड़ा murder, serial killer वाला angle भी आ गया in the same apartment block. So it got a little serious.
Uh,
Now I would have left it, but I was on a
okay.
flight. तो and I was
Uh-huh.
invested. मैंने 2-3 एपिसोड देख लिए थे, राइट. तो लाइक चल पूरा ही देख लेते
हाँ
हैं, तो मैंने
हाँ
देख लिया. एंड तुम्हें तो
हाँ.
पता ही है, हूँ मैं कंजूस. मेरे को
हाँ.
ये होता है कि टिकट के पैसे दिए हैं तो कंटेंट भी देखेंगे भाई, चाहे नींद आ रही हो.
हाँ.
कुछ तो देख आए हैं फ्लाइट पे, तो देख
True,
के तो कुछ जाएंगे. ऐसे कैसे पैसे
true,
वसूलेंगे
true,
हम. आई एम अ लिटिल चिंडी
true,
लाइक दैट.
true.
सो मैंने कहा नहीं, पूरा देखेंगे
Yeah.
अब तो, शो ऐसे कैसे छोड़ देंगे. तो मैंने देखा
हाँ.
बैठ के पूरा. पर लास्ट एपिसोड देखने वाली थी तो लैंडिंग की अनाउंसमेंट हो गई, बंद बंद हो गया सारा वो.
हाँ.
तो नहीं देख
अरे
पाई, बट मेरे को
ओहो.
पता लग गया सीरियल किलर कौन था, ये वो वहां तक मैंने देख लिया था.
अच्छा.
इट्स अ गुड
ओहो
शो.
ओहो.
I would have any other time I would
हाँ.
have been like okay, it's a great show, amazing. But right now I'm not in the
Yeah.
mind space to watch serial killers. तो इसलिए I
Yeah.
said okay, it's nice. It's nice.
Got it.
I mean, it was well
Got it.
made.
हाँ यार.
एक्टिंग अच्छी थी. ये भी
हाँ.
अच्छा था कि इसमें
हाँ.
4 फीमेल लीड है
हाँ.
पूरे शो में ना. फीमेल
हाँ.
4 की
हाँ.
3.
हाँ.
4 फीमेल लीड है इसमें, जो कि समथिंग
हाँ.
डिफरेंट
हाँ.
है
हाँ.
अगेन. नहीं आपको दिखती 4 में से एक थोड़ी ज़्यादा मेन लीड है, बट फिर भी 4 फीमेल है
हाँ.
इसमें. जो मेल एक्टर्स हैं उनका ज़्यादा रोल है नहीं, जो विच इज़ ऑल्सो समथिंग न्यू.
Okay.
रोमांस वाला एंगल
Yeah.
बहुत
Yeah.
कम है शो में, है ही नहीं ऑलमोस्ट, विच इज़ ऑल्सो समथिंग
Oh.
डिफरेंट.
Yes.
जस्ट
Yes.
मेनली अबाउट
Yes.
फ्रेंडशिप. ये 4 जो लेडीज हैं इनकी फ्रेंडशिप के बारे में था शो, एंड दे वर सॉल्विंग सम
Uh,
केसेस इन द अपार्टमेंट कॉम्प्लेक्स.
uh,
इट
oh, very interesting. Yeah.
वाज इंटरेस्टिंग प्लॉट. अच्छा था. एंड दे सो
Yeah.
देयर वाज एन एंगल जहाँ पे इन्हीं में से एक का जो पास्ट है या इनके चाइल्डहुड में से
Mm.
कुछ तो भी हुआ था. दे लिंक वन ऑफ द केसेस इन द अपार्टमेंट बिल्डिंग टू दैट, विच इज ऑल्सो
Oh,
डन
okay.
नाइसली. उन्होंने लिंक कर दिया, अच्छा हो गया. मतलब
Uh,
दे weren't dwelling on anything too much. फटाफट चल रही थी स्टोरी.
got it.
और बीच में कॉमेडिक
Uh,
रिलीफ भी था, एंड हर एपिसोड का एक अलग थीम था.
uh,
जैसे फर्स्ट एपिसोड में वो
okay.
पार्किंग वाला इशू था, तो दे वर जस्ट शोइंग पीपल हु हैव नो रिगार्ड फॉर अदर्स, राइट. सेकंड में कुछ उनका
Uh,
ट्रैश का इशू था कि पीपल आर नॉट सेग्रीगेटिंग देयर वेस्ट, ऐसा कुछ इशू था. बुलिंग का इशू था.
uh,
हर एपिसोड में एक अलग थीम सा लेके चल रहे थे, विद अ कॉमन वो एक पीछे चल रहा था कॉर्ड, उसका सीरियल किलर वाला, और वो सब एंगल मिस्ट्री का.
right.
शो तो
Right.
अच्छा बनाया
Right.
था.
Right.
तो वही वही देखा मैंने. अच्छा
Uh,
है. यू कैन वॉच इफ यू वांट. आई डोंट नो किस पे है ऑनलाइन. इट्स कॉल्ड सैलोन डे होम्स, लाइक शेरलॉक होम्स वाला होम्स.
okay.
तो
Oh, okay, like that.
हाँ,
Okay.
बिकॉज वो
Uh,
मिस्ट्री सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ना, डिटेक्टिव है.
मिस्ट्री सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, डिटेक्टिव है. हाँ, समझ गई, समझ गई. नो,
हाँ
नो, वेरी
हाँ
इंटरेस्टिंग. आई विल लुक इट अप. आई
हाँ.
लुक कहीं ना कहीं तो मुझे मिल जाएगा किस
तुम्हें तो
प्लेटफॉर्म पे
मिल
है, तो
जाएगा
आई
भाई.
डेफिनेटली लुक इट अप. हाँ. मुझे मिल जाएगा, so I'll look it up for sure. But no, very
हाँ.
interesting. And I think, yes, I think it's been, we've, seen some interesting stuff, and of course, and we'll keep watching stuff, and whatever we like, we'll keep recommending. But if you guys also want us to watch something which you think is really cool and we should watch it, please feel free to drop it in our comments. And before we sign off, I think I just want to say that, be kind. There is anyway too much of crap happening in the world. So I think the least we can do is just be kind to each other,
Hmm.
and be nice to each other. You don't know what the other person is going through.
Yes.
A lot. So just try to be nice to each other. Anything
Yes.
that you want to add, BB, before we sign off?
No, I would just like to repeat what you said. You do not know what the other person is going through. Just be kind. The
Yes.
world needs more kindness. Let's start with ourselves.
Yes.
Let's take that first step. Be
Yes.
kind to others and be nice.
Yes.
Generally,
Yes.
we need to make
Yes.
the world a better place.
Absolutely.
Nobody else is going to come and do it for
Yes.
us.
Yeah. True.
We need to
True.
do
True.
it.
Absolutely.
Hmm.
Yes. And on that note, we are signing off, and we'll come back soon again with another, nice episode of stuff that we've seen, we've done in the next couple of days. So, bye bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.